First time makakain ni Habi ng nangka. Be careful ha, bagus na, bay kuan, tagok. Wait ah. Katyo siya. Katyo siya. Kinguya bano guys. Namilis nanay dito ng mga gulay, prutas. Tapos nanay na yung magbinta dun sa bayan.
Why na? Kung pwede ka makadako.
Wow! Katya, gata! Ito yung kagandahan dito sa bukid. Mga libreng prutas. Diba? So ito guys, kung sa city na to, sobrang mahal na nito. O diba? Natid lang po ng sister-in-law ko guys. Diba? Sarap. Panang! Hawa ba? Hari? Namiss ito guys.
What is that name?
Nangka, my love. Heidi. Huh?
Smell.
This is good smell. First time makakain ni Habi ng nangka. Heidi. Be careful ha, bagus na, bay kuan, tagok. Wait.
Give me a
Wala.
to cut.
I will give you now. Wait, my love. Katya, Heidi! Heidi nangka.
They just feed me.
Jackfruit.
Jackfruit. First time? Wait ah.
Is masarap.
Katyo siya. That is fruits. What?
Give me more.
You don't like?
Is masarap.
Eat that. Katyo siya. First time you eat this one? Yes, it's yummy. It's Katyusha, first time pa lang kasi niyang makakain ito.
What is this?
You can boil this one and you can eat also this.
No.
The like.
Masarap. I really like.
You like? We have a lot of fruits here sa bukid.
Hey, Dave.
Oh. You like? What name of this? This is nangka
Jackfruit.
in our language.
Nangka. Go. It is in Lanao, this? Give me.
Like? First time yung makakain ng nangka.
So much.
Titi, ay. Betul kaju. Ayan guys, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe to channel Facebook page, The Petri Family. Bye! Nangka mo diha.